Robinhood meme coins are giving you guys once in a lifetime opportunity, and if you're here watching this video, you're in the right place because I don't want you guys to miss out on it. I genuinely believe, guys, that if you want to make as much gains as possible, you need to be exploring Robinhood, and I'm going to show you guys exactly why that is. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ro. I take a look at crypto every single day and try to help you guys find the hidden gems. I don't know if you guys have been focusing on the last couple of videos I dropped. A lot of those projects are up 100, 200, even 300%. So with that being said, let's get into today's video. And at the end of this, if you like what you see, all I ask is that you guys subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor. I just talk about cryptos that I love. And with that being said, guys, let's get straight into today's video. Now, the first thing that we obviously have to be cognizant about is the fact that we are getting very close to a crypto bottom forming. Okay, now that is very important because a lot of the other chains, right, base chain, Polygon, Solana, BNB, Ethereum, all of those chains have been around in the previous bull cycle, right? But now as we're entering the bottom of a bear, which I've talked about it all the time. I've told you guys when I think that's going to happen. You guys should definitely go check out those videos. I go in depth into them. But as we near the bottom, you need to understand that Robinhood chain that has just come out like a couple months ago, it has never had a bull cycle before. So why do I say that? The reason that that is so important is because meme coins that release, even altcoins that release on the Robinhood chain, when the market bottoms and we start to pick back up and we were moving towards the upside once again, those meme coins, those altcoins, those plays on Robinhood are entering its first bull market. That is so important. And I feel like a lot of people are forgetting that fact. So without further ado, let's take a look at the overall crypto market, right? Bitcoin sitting at 64K. Actually, no, I think it's up a little bit. I think I need to, oh no, it is 64,000. Ethereum sitting just under 1900. You can see in the last in the last 24 hours, this thing has gone down 3%. Bitcoin down 1.37%. And we're kind of been teeter-tottering, right? The last couple months for Bitcoin and Ethereum has just been in that range of 65K to 60K. Ethereum has been in that range of around 1600 to 2000, and we haven't really, more or less for Ethereum have been stuck on 1900. Now for all of you watching, you know that ETH is one of my biggest holdings. However, right now I'm not focusing on Ethereum meme coins or Solana meme coins. I'm actually focusing on Robinhood meme coins. Now, one of the best places to find these new and upcoming Robinhood meme coins is something like Pawns, right? Pawns family, you could take a look. There's basically like the pump fund of Solana, or you have things like Toshimar or Ape Store for base meme coins. This right over here, guys, is basically the same thing. It's the equivalent of what those are, but for the Robinhood chain. This is so funny. I can't even say this out loud or my channel will get taken down, I feel like. But some of the notable ones on here, right? Turbo on Robinhood. This one is a really good one. We've talked about it a little bit. We're up quite a bit on it. I mean, I gave a call for this in the Discord, which we will get into in a little bit as well. But Robinhood meme coins right now genuinely are printing. People have been turning $100 into over $1 million. They've been turning 3 figures into over 7, sometimes $8 million. And I feel like you guys are being left behind, right? I feel like the people that are saying things like, oh, you know what, I'm gonna hold this meme coin from 2024, I'm gonna hold on to this meme coin from 2024 or 2023 because that's the OG, because that is the one that's gonna pump. Listen, I agree with you guys. I do believe there are OG plays, and I believe that those had their time to shine. But you need to look at volume. Those same crypto projects, those same altcoins, even meme coins, when you take a look at them that were in the past, they're not doing anything substantial in volume. Some of them are doing like $5,000 in volume, $10,000 in volume, whereas these new plays, right? The thing is with crypto, it's all about psychology. It's market psychology. It doesn't matter the emotional attachment that you have to a specific meme coin. All it cares about is market psychology. And people in crypto, the quicker you understand that, they think the grass is greener on the other side, and they're going to get into plays that look fresh, that look hot, that are newer, that are more appealing. Guys, it happens with everything. Men are just wired to do that, right? So you guys need to understand that Robinhood is fresh. It's a new meme. It's a new blockchain that's on the block, right? It's a new blockchain on the block. So keeping that in mind, guys, you can take a look, right? Cashcat kind of kicked things off for us. The strongest name on Robinhood this week, just listed on the Robinhood app, printed hard on the listing news, still the clear face of the chain, highest recognition and volume history, main character energy, intact while others rotate. Now, the thing is with Cashcat, right? I'm going to be the first one to come out and say it. Here, let me go to Deck Screener really quick. This is probably going to be a multi-billion-dollar coin when the bull run picks back up, right? When the bull market is in full swing, you can see right now it climbed back up to 138 million, right? sub $200 million entry. You need to understand Cash Cab being the face of the Robinhood ecosystem, it's gonna blow past $1 billion market cap. Think of things like Pepe, right? What did Pepe do? Pepe was it was a really, oh wow, there's Pepe's on over on Robinhood now. I'm trying to find the OG one. Here, let me go over to CoinMarketCap, go to Pepe. Okay, right, 1.1 billion, but what did it run to at its peak? This thing ran up to about $10 billion market cap, and this thing, right, it had so much volume on it. It was doing really well. It was one of those plays that people thought were going to 100 billion, which we know meme coins are not going to do that anymore. Max I see meme coins run to is about 10-20 billion. But that's the principle. This was a fresh, hot new coin, and even on the Base ecosystem, right? When Base came out, something that was a face of Base was Toshi, and Toshi ran up to about $1 billion market cap. Now, granted, Base versus Robinhood is a much more prevalent name. Robinhood is a much more user-friendly name. Retail people are going to know Robinhood more than they would know Base Chain. Yes, they'll know Coinbase, but they know Robinhood a little bit more, right? So that's very important. So there's a lot of good plays that are on the Robinhood chain right now, guys, that I genuinely believe you guys need to be taking a look at, whether it's for the long term, whether it's for the short term, whether it's for you know, within the next couple of days, within the next couple of weeks, to make a buck or two. You need to be playing the Robinhood trenches. What if, I believe, is going to be a really solid play for the Robinhood chain. Now, I know a lot of people already hold this. A lot of people are bullish on this play, but this project, in my opinion, is going to be a very, very solid play. Now, in the short term, we could see a little bit of a pullback. I mean, we did, right? We ran up to about 38 million, came back down to 5.16, rallied up to almost 20 million, and now back down to $10 million market cap. I think anything sub $10 million entry for this is a snipe of an entry, and there's other ones too that are really good in my opinion, right? We had Turbo on Robinhood, right, at $700,000 market cap right now. A lot of these plays we called inside of our Discord, right? We called Turbo at $400,000 market cap. Let me just show you guys. It was around here, right, to where we are, even to its little peak in the short term, had about a 127% gain, which is more than a 2x return. We also, guys, this project over here absolutely killed it with this play. Okay, Ninehood, which is at $150,000 market cap right now. I call this inside of my private Discord at, I can't even find the entry. Okay, it was around 20, let's say 23,000. It was at $25,000 market cap. To its all-time high, you're looking at a 10,000% gain. That is monumental returns, guys. That is insane. This project ran to $2.5 million market cap, and then we even called this one over here, which I think is going to go on to do really well as well, right? Good in the Hood, which is made by the same exact team that made Midas, and Midas ran to multiple millions on Base Chain, and this is the new Base Chain that is on Robinhood. You guys need to take advantage of this. We called this play sub $100,000 market cap, and I mean, just look at this massive candle towards the upside, and look at the liquidity. $97,000 in liquidity is absolutely insane. I think Good in the Hood is going to perform well, and all these were called inside of my private Discord community, guys. Listen, if you want to be able to find these buy and sell alerts before I make YouTube videos about them, before I talk about them anywhere else, you need to understand people that pay to be a part of this are obviously going to hear about it first. That's just how it works, right? They're paying for a subscription, they're paying for my buy and sell alerts. There's people in there that have made 25K in a month. There's people that have made 20K in 2 months. There's people that have turned $100 into 10K, and that is the power of literally meme coin trading. So if you guys want to be a part of it, click the link down below and join. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, y'all, and peace out.